Yesterday when we got back to Kathmandu, we were really tired, but today I'm going to try and capture a little bit more of the central market area here. We have one more day left before our flight back to Australia.
This is nothing, buddy. If we go to oldest part in the city, so I will see more damage.
Really?
But we have a great monument in Nepal we call Bodhanath. It's a huge stupa. It has been destroyed in the earthquake. But now they rebuilt that and cultures have been finished.
Right.
But we have so many, like, have you heard about a place called Bhaktapur?
Yeah.
Bhaktapur. It's the oldest
Oh,
city.
yeah, I've heard of that. I've heard of that.
Very old city.
Yeah.
The half of the city have been gone in the earthquake.
Yeah.
Because all the
Sad, man.
house made with mud and clay.
Yeah.
But still, you will still out there, you know.
Yeah.
Bhaktapur is very old city.
Wow, some of these buildings are just hundreds of years old. I've got no idea, but I'm saying that's got to be at least 400 years old. This is a really old district.
You don't want that one? You want to try that one?
You gonna get it?
It's small.
He likes them bigger. Oh, me?
Yeah.
Oh, no. Not no.
You can try it. I can give you some discount. I can give you some discount.
I've bought some really cool stuff to take home for souvenirs, but you also get hassled out a lot to just buy all sorts of things that you don't want. And at first I was like, oh no, thank you, and I don't really need it. But now I'm like, just like, nah, go away. So I'm learning.
I give you good price.
How much?
Best price.
How much?
10,000 rupee.
No, 5,000. We just went into the Kathmandu National Museum, but we weren't allowed any cameras, so there's nothing that I can show you, but it's in there. And now we're going to go to the Monkey Temple.
200 rupee.
They're everywhere.
So from here we are slowly moving.
No, all right. Oh shit.
What did it say?
Alright, we just decided to go up to the roof of an abandoned building so that we can get some photos. Oh, look at this. There's so many buildings like this, so this obviously was a problem in the earthquake and it's just being rebuilt.
Another store, 2400.
Yeah.
Nah. 1800. Nah. And I met this other guy, he's like 1800. Nah, 1000. Oh, okay. Exact same jacket.
So what do you reckon? You ready to go home tomorrow?
Yeah.
Over it?
Yeah.
It's been good. Like
Doing good.
it's been really interesting. Like the first couple of days we were just like a bit, I don't know, it was a bit confronting. But the last couple of days I've just found it like quite relaxing and I've enjoyed the shopping and walking around and just seeing stuff. It's been really good. But on the other hand, I'll be really keen to get out of the pollution and just go home.
Yeah. Over and out, Brynmag.
Right.